G'day guys, bit of an update on the diesel heater setup. So I've changed it a little bit, and now we've got the suctions coming from inside the room, and then this aluminium one's the hot output. Someone asked me a very smart question, really. How loud is it? If you remember, Banggood sent me this piece. I'll link her down below. Forgot I had it. About a metre away. Right, we'll go out to the actual unit and I'll show you out there. See, she's out the back. Just foil tape the joint there up. I will make a board for the window that these two pipes go through. Maybe even direct the hot and the cold with some PVC fittings on the other side. I'll drop it down, suck cold from the floor, and send that one further that way. May even pipe it through the house yet. We'll see how we go. It's running really well. I just put the charger on the battery for the first time in maybe 2 days. Only a couple of minutes ago, and it's already nearly back up to 14 volts. So it doesn't use a great deal of power. I wouldn't have minded to have the solar going by now, but I haven't had time. So out here. It's right next to the unit. There you go. That answers a few questions. As for diesel consumption, goes really well. Changed to that drum 3 days ago. So 20 litre drums. Yeah, otherwise it's going faultlessly. I checked the exhaust earlier. There's no big carbon build-up. Just realised I was standing in the cold for no reason. Had a reflection. It was 80 odd degrees. It's about 16 odd degrees in here. And it's about 3, 2, maybe even 2 outside at the moment. We've got a frost warning. A couple of hours ago on the weather app, so yeah, it's not that loud. It's in the kitchen, so it's not right in the way kind of thing. Just the easiest place to install it for now for a bit of testing. But it's heating the office, house, etc. with diesel. It'll be more interesting to do some testing in the middle of winter. Considering whether I actually drop the exhaust under the floor of the house. And see if it heats through the floor without any fumes or smell. The house isn't all that well sealed, obviously, in a 1950s or 60s house or whatever it is. There's crappy single pane glass windows and stuff. So I've stuffed a tea towel in there. A towel over that as well to block it up for the time being, but it's made a big difference sucking the warm air from inside the house, as you would imagine. Yeah, it's still going strong. I'll link to the diesel heaters on eBay and Banggood. I found them cheaper on eBay, and the sound meter as well. Thanks for watching. Thought I'd update you, keep you in the loop as to what's going on, and yeah, the diesel heater's a good option. It's doing good things. I'm pretty happy with it. Thanks for watching. Catch you in the next video. Any more questions, drop them below. I'll answer them soon. Cheers.